Hey everyone! Today we're talking about renovating something even more important, our well-being. Gardening is about more than just pretty flowers or fresh veggies. It's a journey of connecting with nature and discovering how it can nourish our minds and bodies. So if you're ready to dig in, grab your gardening gloves, and let's explore how creating your own little slice of green can bring a whole lot of good into your life. Life can get a little crazy sometimes, but stepping into the garden is like hitting the reset button. The simple act of digging in the soil, feeling the breeze, and listening to the birds can melt the stress away. There's something grounding about getting your hands dirty and nurturing something beautiful. When you focus on tasks like pulling weeds and watering plants, it's like a form of meditation. Studies show that spending time in nature lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Your mind finally gets the chance to unwind and find some peace. Gardening is full of happy little things, like a seed pushing through the soil or a bud bursting into bloom. Being around plants increases serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals. Harvesting your first ripe tomato or picking fresh flowers you grew yourself is empowering. Gardening gives you a healthy dose of vitamin D, a bonus mood booster. It's a celebration of life that does wonders for your mood. Gardening might not feel like hitting the gym, but all that digging, planting, and weeding is a whole-body workout. You're bending, stretching, lifting, and using muscles you might not realize you had. Regular gardening can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. So ditch the treadmill for an afternoon and get your hands dirty. Your body will thank you. Biting into a juicy, vine-ripened tomato still warm from the sun is the magic of homegrown food. When you grow your own food, you're naturally drawn to eating more fresh, wholesome meals. There's something satisfying about knowing exactly where your food came from. No pesticides, just pure, homegrown goodness. Gardening often inspires you to try new things, like creative zucchini bread recipes or fresh herbs in your dishes. It's not just about the taste, it's about the journey from garden to table. Gardening brings people together, swapping stories and tips, sharing seeds, and admiring each other's blooms. For those feeling isolated, a community garden can be a real lifeline, a place to connect and feel a sense of belonging. Sharing the fruits and veggies of your labor with neighbors builds relationships and fosters community. Gardening with kids creates lasting memories and teaches them about where their food comes from. It's a chance to get them excited about nature and instill a love for the outdoors. You don't need a green thumb to create a garden that brings you joy. Start small with a few pots of herbs or a raised bed. Choose plants that speak to you and make it your own with a comfy chair or string lights. Think of it as an extension of your home, a place to escape and be present in the moment. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process and have fun with it. Some days your plants will thrive, and other days they might need extra love. But that's okay. Gardening is a gift that keeps on giving, a chance to slow down, reconnect with nature, and nourish our bodies and minds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, grab a trowel and experience the magic of gardening. Share your tips, triumphs, and gardening mishaps in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy growing, everyone!